Looking for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Hunt Crossing area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Georgetown's Hunt Crossing area, you are likely to have been in a fender bender or worse. Millions of automobiles zip along the world's roads daily, and inevitably a percentage of these will end up in a crash repair facility, often of the owner's choosing, typically the insurance companies. And while a lot of commuter and daily driven automobiles that end up in a crash will be repaired soon. Watch this auto body shop video in Hunt Crossing, but that's not all you have to fret about. Often dishonest automobile repair shops tend to overcharge for repairs performed. They tack on concealed costs. Often, they even bill you for things your automobile didn't need. Body repair service estimate for Georgetown's Hunt Crossing. Your insurer is likely to know people who can help you with cost price quotes. In fact, it may even have a team of specialists designated to offer crash repair prices. Aside from offering quotes after examining the condition of your automobile, your insurer may supply you with a list of approved crash repair shops where you can go and make the most of your automobile insurance to get a better or more affordable price quote. Make certain to abide by the company hour. Body repair service insurance providers. Automobile repair shops, like you, are eager to make the most of insurance opportunities by carefully considering bonus or incidentals that may develop during the assessment. It would be better to strive a higher cost to avoid paying more in the future. Body repair service equipment. High-tech equipment is now readily available at automobile repair shops, like the laser measuring system. This system makes certain that the repair is done properly. Body repair service techs. Many a times, automobile accidents involve more than mere external damage. The wheels get demolished, radiators crushed, exhaust bent and more. You need to also get the transmission and alignment examined. The ideal mechanic and the right shop ensure your automobile is as good as new before returning it to you. Body repair service near my house, and to make sure that quality is kept, there are factory monitoring teams that frequently examine these shops along with supply updated details and support when needed. Only by submitting to a rigid and exacting process can a repair shop ensure an anxious owner that his or her precious automobile will be restored to its original state, and that its value will be kept. Finding an auto body shop near you might be tough, but it's worth the effort. Car, truck, SUV parts. There are lots of threats you face with a below-average automobile repair. Crash repairs will be pricey, but don't let this overwhelm you. With all the threats involved with low-cost and unprofessional repair, the better choice will always be to have your automobile repaired and restored at a trusted and insurance company-approved second-hand automobile crash center who carries a number of the parts needed to fix trashed automobiles. Be sure to get the highest quality car, truck, SUV paint. An auto body shop's most common repair job is painting or repainting automobile. Even a basic scratch can make your automobile look unsightly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.